How's it going, everyone? Today we are taking the Miata off-roading. We're going to an off-road park called The Cliffs. It should be really awesome. I don't really know exactly what to expect. I don't know how difficult it's gonna be. I don't know, but it's gonna be really fun. I'm super pumped and I'm also super late. And I'm also running on like 5 hours of sleep and I'm really tired and really hungry, but I gotta go. I'm excited to see what this Miata can do. Probably not much, but let's find out, I guess. Squad up with the Jeep, boys! He's gonna be my saving grace when I get stuck, which I inevitably will. Fueling up before we get there. The size difference, my gosh. That is hilarious. I'm like half the height. Let's see what kind of MPGs this car is getting. I've got 96 miles on this fill up, and we put in 4.3 gallons. And we are here, boys. Look at all the Jeeps. Wow, there's...
Is that thing four-wheel drive?
Nope.
Miata?
Yeah, it's a Miata.
Cool.
Thank you. We have to put the orange flag on so they know where we are, right?
Yeah.
Okay. No, that's good. It looks kind of dumb, but it'll work. It'll do, donkey. He's making it.
Come on, Caleb. You can...
Hell yeah, dude. That thing's ripping.
Oh, God.
That thing's ripping,
oh, come on,
dude.
Caleb.
Hell yeah, he's got it. No problem.
Oh, I wish you had a transfer case. Oh, come on, Caleb.
All of these deep ruts and shit, no problem with the Miata. But damn, little Miata, good shit. Yeah, I was so surprised. Look at that.
Holy shit. Oh,
Okay, oh my fuck. A bit too hard there.
He's good. It doesn't stop. Oh no! Oh God! What the fuck? How? 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 How?
Up here is pretty difficult. We got a Jeep stuck, but I think we're probably gonna try to go around. No issues from him. I don't actually think it's as hard as it looks, honestly.
oh my God.
Oh, yikes. Yeah, that's...
I didn't want the roll right there.
Yeah, I know. He was almost rolling off that edge right there.
That way. He's good. I'll go. Go, 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 go. Oh, oh fuck. No. Your boy got
It
stuck.
happens. I didn't go fast enough, that's why. So the toe strap, we have got 2 female ends. Doesn't work.
You're burying the exhaust tip in the mud.
The toe strap didn't really work, but we're gonna tie it around the lower control arm and gently ease Reagan out of the yeah, it's pretty bad.
Tie that. Yes! It worked! You're good, you're good.
think my ultimate goal is to make it through this adventure without calling that guy. The guy who said I was gonna get stuck like 10 times and that I was gonna need to call him. I'm not gonna call him because I'm not gonna get stuck again. Probably will.
We're good.
The best flex a Miata can get, I guess.
Oh. My God.
I kind of figured that was gonna happen. Hopefully the radiator's okay. I don't know, but I'm about to get pulled out.
He's out. Untouched.
All right, well, the Miata once again got stuck. I was so close to getting it out myself, but no, not quite.
Dragging it out.
All right, you're good.
That was funny.
Oh God, we're gonna bomb.
There we go. Yes. One tire fire. Oh, that worked, that worked, that worked. Just that worked. Oh no.
Oh.
That's fine, we can get him out from there.
Oh, my eye.
That
You sprayed chunks of like mud in my eye.
A little more, a little more, a little more, and stop.
said he'd be down to. Oh, you got air. Oh, dude, if he does that there, he's gonna get so much air. Oh, he got all 4 tires off.
It does not spin the tires.
Oh, fuck.
A little Miata that can.
Holy
Oh
fuck!
my God.
Jesus Christ, I made it through that! What the hell?
This thing is
A trucker.
This is a little bit easier now.
speed. Holy shit. Oh my fucking God. I don't get it. Wait, how do I get over there? Oh.
Uh-oh, I think the Jeep's stuck. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, he's coming. Well, the Miata made it through without getting stuck. How does that make you feel, Jack? Yeah, I know, but I feel like something broke. I don't know. I got like a foot of air supposedly.
Yes.
Sadly, I didn't get on I didn't get on camera because my camera was in the car. But yeah, I suppose we got a foot of air. It sounded like something broke, so we're letting the cars cool down, giving them a break, and then we're pretty much in the clear here.
Don't jinx that.
This thing can go through anything as long as you get speed. And you're not worrying about breaking something, which I am a little worried. I mean, like, look at underneath there. That, like, oh my gosh, that's so bad.
I knew that.
I am sorry. I go fast enough. Oh, it just like slides straight down.
No, don't slow up.
Yeah, you gotta use more throttle. Oh, boo.
Back up. Go, faster. Get it. How you coming up?
He's not getting enough speed.
We can't see the thing.
Go, 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 go.
Go. Yes.
Give it gas. Go, go, go. You're off the ground. Go, 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 go. Oh, steer that way. Left, 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 left. Oh, Jesus.
Not spinning wheels. Oh.
Because he's not giving it a lot. When that tire gets off the ground. I don't want him sliding down that.
Oh, lightly pull me. Oh my. All right, slowly go forward.
All right, stop.
We're good. Well, boys, we made it. Look at this thing. It's no longer black. And the Jeep too. My gosh, that was really fun. That was really crazy. It was really stressful, but we made it. We got stuck 4 times. The 2-wheel drive lifted Miata. Did it. Just look how bad that is. This thing is never gonna be as clean as it was. It will never be perfect. Okay, I'm thinking there's something broken. I'm driving on the road, going 45. Look at the shift knob. I'm not sure if it's just because all the mud on my tires are super unbalanced, and that's causing it, or what. Maybe diff bolt came out. I don't know, but hopefully we're gonna try to make it to McDonald's and then see what's wrong. All right, well, we made it to McDonald's. We're pretty sure the shaking is just all the mud in the rims, and we didn't go above like 45, maybe above 50. I haven't had breakfast, and it's like, what is it, 2? Is it 3? It's 2. It's 3. It's 2:50. I'm so hungry. We are all so hungry. What?
No.
Car wash. All right, food. Driving this car right now is kind of like driving a car with pretty dark tints because there's so much mud on the windows. It blocks so much light. It's like it's nice and dark in here. It's yeah. So we're on our way home. We're about halfway home. It's going kind of well. I mean, car shakes pretty violently. Oh, we made it. Clean. Oh, this is freaking hilarious. My gosh. Turn off the lights. I don't think anything's broken. My steering felt a little stiff. I wonder why. Probably because the entire system is clogged with mud. But guys, that is going to be it for today. I gotta say, I am blown away by how the car performed. Obviously, it wasn't the best thing out there, but it kept up with my friend's Jeep. Kind of, and it was outperforming the stock Jeep that was there. I made it through most stuff. I mean, I got stuck 4 times. Some of them were kind of stupid stucks. Honestly, it didn't do half bad. And the thing I'm more surprised about is that I didn't break anything. All the suspension seems fine. Nothing's bent, nothing's broken. I even jumped the car a couple of times, so I don't know, it blows me away how well it did. We definitely have to do some things before we go again. Mainly tow hooks that can actually fit tow straps. Secondly, I need some protection on the car, especially up front. The radiator's just hanging there. I'm so surprised I did not blow my radiator on something. Like, I bottomed out so many times. I'm very surprised that didn't happen. Once we get those front dashboards up there, that will help a lot too. And then an under tray, skid plate. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like. A lot of work went into it. And if you guys are new, please consider subscribing. That would really help me out. I'm so exhausted. I got like 5 hours of sleep last night. I'm covered in mud. I just want to go clean myself and die on the bed. So that's what I'm gonna do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out. Good job, Reagan. Good job. I'm proud of you.
Peace.